So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix a Samsung dishwasher that won't turn on, power door latch and control reset. Fix 1 is perform a hard electrical reset. Go to the main electrical breaker panel in your home, locate the switch labeled dishwasher, flip the switch to the off position completely, wait for exactly 5 minutes to allow all residual power to drain. Flip the switch back to the on position. Try to power on the dishwasher. Second fix is check the power outlet. Unplug the dishwasher power cord from the wall. Plug a working item like a hair dryer or lamp into the exact same outlet. If the lamp does not turn on, your GFCI outlet has tripped or a fuse is blown. Press the reset button on the face of the wall outlet to restore the power. Third fix is turn off the control lock. Look at the control panel for a padlock icon. Locate the button beneath or next to it, usually labeled sanitize, heated dry or child lock. Press and hold the specific button down firmly for 3 seconds. The lock light will turn off and the button will work again. Fourth fix is clean and test the door latch. Open the dishwasher door and inspect the latch at the top center. Clean out any food debris or soap buildup inside the latch hole using a toothpick. Close the door firmly until you hear a distinct click sound. If the door bounces back or feels loose, the door latch switch may be broken and need replacement. Fifth fix is replace and blown thermal fuse. Turn off the breaker for safety. Open the door and remove switch screws from the inner door panel to detach the front cover. Locate the main control board housing inside the door panel. Identify the thermal fuse connected to the board, small pieces with 2 wires. Unplug the wire from the thermal fuse. Replace the old thermal fuse with a new Samsung thermal fuse that matches your model. Thanks for watching.